co-host Jorani.
And today we're going to be making a tin hedgehog from the MEL Science chemistry project.
Now this experiment is recommended for ages 10 and up, so if you are under 10, I heavily recommend having adult supervision.
Before we get on with this project, we must discuss the lab safety rules first.
Lab safety rules is basically safety rules that go on in the lab while you're conducting experiments.
For one of the first rules, make sure you wash your hands before you start with the experiment.
Never eat or drink during experiments.
Make sure you have your safety goggles while you're doing the experiment.
Also, never allow chemicals to come in contact with your eyes or mouth.
And let's get on with it.
Yes.
Can we get serious now?
So for this experiment, we'll be needing our plastic tray, our macro lens, our safety goggles, right here. And we'll also be needing our gloves and the experiment. So this is the tin experiment. It has 2 experiments in it. So we have our gloves in here, and we're going to go ahead and put on our safety because safety is first. Thank you.
No problem.
Make sure you put your goggles on.
Okay. Sorry guys, it takes time to put on these goggles.
Yes.
I mean gloves.
Gloves.
Because sometimes you have trouble seeing which one goes on the right hand.
Definitely. These are disposable. They are not reusable. Please wash your hands after the experiments.
These make me so frustrated. Make sure you guys comment down below if these make you frustrated too.
2 hours later.
Okay, you can start talking about the experiment.
Okay, so first we have our tin chloride here, and we also have our sodium hydrogen sulfate over here. And we also have zinc right here, the gray one.
I'll pull it out.
May you hand me my notes,
Of course.
please? Thank you. For those of you who don't know what zinc is represented in, wait.
Let me do this. You take it out. Zinc is represented in the periodic table as Zn. Zinc is a nutrient found throughout your body. It also helps your immune system and metabolism function. Zinc is important to healing wounds and your taste of smell. It is imperative your body gets enough zinc. Food sources of zinc include beans, nuts, avocados, and blueberries, etc.
I don't like blueberries, but I'll eat one day. Eat it one day.
Shame on you.
Wow. Okay.
So this is the plastic tray we will be conducting the experiment on.
Wait. Put that away. I already have it. Thank you.
So you have everything?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
What? Yes, I do. I have zinc.
You need other things, genius.
I am a genius. Thank you.
So we have our sodium hydrogen sulfate, our tin chloride, and our zinc.
It's hard to put open things with these gloves.
So this is our zinc. So today we're making a tin hedgehog. It's a zinc pellet that turns into a hedgehog. So we have our protective gloves and our eyewear, and we are, again, conducting the experiment on the tray. We have all of our chemical elements. So the first step is to prepare the tin chloride SnCl2 solution. That's just the name of it. Okay, so this is NHSO4. It is also known as sodium hydrogen sulfate. And we will be pouring this into our SN.
It says to
Tin
insert
chloride.
the tip securely. So where is the tip?
Right here.
Okay, thank you.
These are hard to open.
Yes, it really is.
This should make it easier. So we insert the tip onto the tin 2 chloride. It is on securely. We are using the red cap.
With the
Pops off.
Yes.
You must remember to read the instructions.
first prepare tin chloride
You
solution.
pour 1 whole bottle of sodium hydrogen sulfate into tin 2 chloride. And then you put the tip on.
See, guys, this is why I have my co-worker with me. My co-worker. Funny.
Funny.
While she's doing that, be sure to subscribe to Let's Get Serious. And comment down below if you did this experiment with your family and friends.
Okay, it's pouring. Again, this is our sodium hydrogen sulfate. We're pouring it into our tin 2 chloride. Pour the whole bottle in.
Now you
That's our whole
insert
bottle.
the tip securely.
So we will be using this tip.
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to. You can do the next step.
And now you use the red cap.
It's on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you must shake it.
Shake it vigorously.
Okay. Shake.
It does not say how long to shake it for. Okay, it is completely mixed together as it looks. It looks completely mixed together.
And now fill halfway into
The zinc. Ooh. Kids don't do this at home alone.
Hold on,
Is it
guys.
a
I
different-
must talk with my co-worker. Ah, yes. Thank you.
I am your co-host, sir.
Yes. But still, worker. We work together. Am I twisting it the wrong way?
You don't work with anybody else so far. But okay.
What are you doing? Oh, you just pop it off. Okay.
Okay.
And now,
I'm gonna take the red cap off.
pop this off too.
Try to do it over the table. We do not want any chemicals wasting. Hazardous. Sir, let me try. How did you put this on? Did you screw it on?
Yes, I did screw it off.
And you would screw it off.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to fill this into here halfway.
Okay.
Halfway. Halfway yet?
Okay, it looks halfway to
Yeah,
me.
it's about halfway.
This looks like it's halfway, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty halfway. Step 2. Now submerge a piece of a more active metal, zinc, also known as Zn in the periodic table, in the tin salt solution and see what happens.
Okay.
So we're going to get a zinc pellet and we're going to put it into our mixture.
Maybe I should just screw it off. Okay. Yeah.
Good thinking.
Now, 1 zinc.
it would be better to pour it into your hand. Just gonna do one, yeah.
Oh, one. Thanks.
Okay, so our zinc is in. And now we're going to wait. Yes, bear with us.
A few moments later.
Hey.
Metals in their metallic form are made of a positively charged particles, embedded in a negatively charged cloud of electrons. Particles of some metals like to reside in such a cloud more than others. In our experiment, tin 2 chloride, would rather chill inside a cloud of electrons, whereas zinc is relatively more inclined to float on its own as a charged particle, or as chemists would say, an ion. When we place a zinc pellet in a solution containing tin ions, the tin ions pull the electron blanket over, turning into a metallic zinc, and zinc ventures out into the solution.
Okay.
Right now, we can see it's holding, well, not it's holding, it's forming little crystals.
Wow. Looks very cool and shiny.
Shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now we wait some more.
A few moments later.
Let's check on the zinc and the sodium. I can see the little crystals moving a little bit.
It used to bubble. Well, it was bubbling a little bit.
As you can see.
Shaky hands much.
Yeah. Don't want to fall. So,
We're gonna do more waiting.
waiting.
Eventually.
Stannous chloride, also known as tin 2 chloride. Just some extra knowledge. Take it home with you.
NaHSO4 is also known as sodium hydrogen sulfate.
Also known as sodium bisulfate. The formula would be NaHSO4. Same for stannous chloride, SnCl2. That's the formula.
Dance time.
You suck at dancing. You dance like a grandma.
I'll get the hang of it.
Let's check on it. I don't even know if it's gonna develop more than that. So we should take it out.
It's very small. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I was expecting the hedgehog to be a little bit bigger, but it came out small. But leave a comment down below if you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.